Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. I use Sony Vegas Pro to edit my movies, but a few people have asked me, how can they edit their movies for free? So today, I'm going to show you how to download and use Windows Movie Maker for free. So let's head on over to the computer and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so we're over here at the computer now. So what we need to do, we need to open up Chrome, and we need to go to the website to download Movie Maker. So just copy the URL in the description below and paste it into here and open that page. Now we can download the latest 2019, but I've found that the older version works better, so click on older version, and then we'll go to the Windows 2016 Movie Maker. So download this one. Click on download, and then that will save it into your downloads folder, which I have already done here. So here it is here. So I won't go ahead, but if you could download that and come back when that's finished. Okay, once that's finished downloading, open up your downloads folder or whatever folder you put it into. You might want to put it onto your desktop. But open that up and then double click on the exe file and this will install it. Just click yes to this. Yes, I want English, and let the wizard take over. I accept the agreement and it's now preparing to install. This might take a few minutes, so I'll come back when it's all done. Okay, once that's finished, this window comes up now and we'll just click finish. It has got there launch Windows Movie Maker, which we're going to launch and open up. So we accept the agreement. Yes, we accept the agreement. And it's as simple as this. This is your Windows Movie Maker. So now, what do we do with this? Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need to add a video. And I've got a couple of videos here with the young fella on the bike from across the road. So we can just click on this and open both those. And that will install them into the program. So if we push play, it'll run through and play this video. And that's the raw file as it came off my camera. So what we're going to do now, we're going to edit this video and make it a little bit more clearer and take out any of the parts we don't want. So let's just play this. We'll take out any bits of the rubbish by pausing it. He's hiding behind the bush there at the moment, so we'll pause it there, and we're going to go up here to edit, split. Now that's just split the video there, so then we'll highlight this one here and push delete on our keyboard, and that's got rid of that introduction part. So now we'll play the part we want to keep. Here we go. And then when he gets to about here, we'll stop it. We'll go back up and we'll split it again. Continue on playing to decide what we want to keep in and what we want to take out. So my plan is to take this little bit out. And here I cross the road with the camera still going. So I'm going to take this bit out. Just fast forward here. So this is all just my poor camera work here. So we're going to take this out of the clip. So now he's coming back. So we're going to pause it here and split, and we can actually remove all this rubbish in the middle. So now we have a continual, here he is going down the street, and then he should from here come back up the street. There you go. Does he say anything? Let's just have a listen.
Couldn't control it. It was so wobbly.
Oh, Daddy's getting tired now. Excellent.
It was wobbly, so I couldn't steer it properly.
Okay, we'll pause it there. Now we'll split that, and we'll take the rest of this rubbish out. This video we don't want. And now we're on to the second frame. So what have we got playing here? Okay, so we'll split here, come up to split, take this first bit off, play it by pushing the space bar.
I'm not sure, huh? But the most hardest bit is like when it gets wobbly, and then you start just wobbling everywhere, and then you could really fall.
Okay, so we'll just split that there, and we'll call that the end of the video. So we'll now delete this part here. So here we have the beginning of the video, and we'll just play it through. You can see it's 51 seconds long here.
Just slow.
And then it should click to when he comes back. We're watching it on the timeline up here as well.
I couldn't control it. It was so wobbly.
Oh, Daddy's getting tired now. Excellent.
It was wobbly, so I couldn't.
And now we cut into the interview.
So what's it like to be a bike rider?
So we can now also add transitions. So here is where the two video joins. So we can actually add a transition here. So let's just click on the second frame, second clip, and we go up to visual effects, animations. Go up to animations, and these are all different types of transitions. You can see how that one is this one is this. There's different types, and if we click down here, this is my favorite one. This is the fade. So we're going to put fade in there. So now we'll do the length of duration. We'll do a 2-second fade, and then we'll do the same over here. Click on this frame and put the fade in. 2 seconds long. And if it's a standard fade you want, you can just click apply to all. So there we have it, a fade all the way through. So now let's just go back to the beginning. Sorry, let's click here. Okay, so we fade in, and then we should come to this next clip here where we fade again. There's the fade, crossfade they call that. And then when it comes to the interview up here, we should also do a crossfade as well.
I couldn't control it. It was so wobbly.
Oh, Daddy's getting tired now. Excellent.
It was wobbly, so I couldn't.
And there's the crossfade there.
Bike rider.
I'm not sure, huh?
So that's how easy it is, guys, to make yourself a little video, to trim and cut out the pieces of unwanted video that you've taken and make a continual storyline. One more thing I do want to show you is that we can add a beginning to this video. Okay, so we'll go to our home page and we'll add a title. Now the title can be Callan Rides. Callan Rides. And that actually, I'll put that there, that needs to go here at the beginning. So we now introduce this. There's the fade into the title, and then fade into the bike ride. And at the end we can also have credits, which we can drop in here. And then we do the same. Credits, let's have starring Callan, producer Michael, cameraman Janet, and there we have a fade out title. Let's play that, and the credits roll at the end of the movie. So guys, once we have finished the movie, we're happy with it, we can now go to File and we can save the movie, and we can save it as High Definition Display 1080p. So we will save it into our videos folder. We'll create a new folder, call this Callan Bike Ride, and inside this we can call the movie, what will we call it? Callan Rides, and save the movie. That's saving it as an MP4 file. It won't take very long, and while that is saving, that's all you have to do to create your home movies and to be able to save them in a file for future reference. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want, and you can ring that notification bell to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So thanks very much for watching. We will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.